What if the next time you opened your fridge, something was looking back at you? After a late-night snack run, Mike opened his fridge to grab some milk and saw a face staring back at him. He slammed the door shut, but when he opened it again, it was gone. Thinking he was tired, he went back to bed, but the nightmare was just beginning. That night, Mike woke up to the fridge door wide open, and the milk spilled on the floor. Then he saw it, the same pale face now pressed against his bedroom window. They say spirits can attach themselves to objects. Mike didn't know it, but his fridge wasn't just keeping things cold. Would you dare open your fridge at night? Think twice. Check your fridge. Follow for more chilling stories.